Welcome to Jar Masala, and today we're going to be showing you how to make chicken curry using a vegetable of your choice.
So I'm making a paste with ginger and garlic, and we're going to use this paste in our chicken curry. I usually make ginger and garlic paste together, and I will share that video soon. But here's my garlic and ginger, and in this video we're going to show you how to cook chicken curry with vegetables of your choice. And it's going to be, you don't have to saute the onions. We're going to mix everything together, and then we're just going to cook it for 45 minutes. So I added the ginger and the garlic paste. Then I'm going to add some salt. And I'm using the meat masala, and the masala add to your taste. If you like a bit spicier, if you like the curry taste, then add 3 to 4 teaspoons. If you like the curry taste to be a little less, then you can just add 1.5 teaspoons. And then I'm going to add some onions. And I like adding tons of onions to my meat curries because it gives you more gravy and thicker gravy. Now I'll add some oil, cooking oil. I'll mix everything together and turn the stove on. So I'm going to put some garam, like the whole spices in the chicken curry. And this is optional, you don't have to. I just like adding the whole spices. It just gives you more earthy taste. And if you don't have the whole spices, but if you have the garam masala, which is basically the powder version of the whole spices, you can just add extra teaspoon of these. This is not spicy, it just gives you more of a flavor, curry flavor. Since I added the whole spices, I'm not going to add extra garam masala. I'm just going to mix this, and I'm going to cook it for about 20 minutes in medium heat, and then after that I'm going to turn the stove to low heat and cook it for another 25 minutes. So the cook time will be 45 minutes total. So our chicken curry has been cooking for about 15 minutes. So since we're cooking this chicken with the choice of your veggie, and you can add potatoes, you can add zucchini, squash, just based on the vegetable that you use. Make sure you add the veggie towards the end if you need less cooking. But I'm going to use, these are broad bean seeds, and I'm going to use this with my chicken. But you can use any kind of veggie you like. So I added this veggie, and I'm going to cook it for another 30 minutes because it takes a bit longer to cook. And I'm going to add a little water. I'm cooking 2 chickens, so I added about 2 cups of water. I'm going to cover it and cook it for another 30 minutes. So the chicken curry has been cooking for 27 minutes total cook time so far. And I'm going to lower the heat to low, and I'm going to add some chili peppers, green chili peppers, and this is optional. If you don't want to add, it's fine. These are whole chili peppers, so it's not going to make the curry spicier. I just love the flavor of it. Now I'm going to cover it and cook on low heat for 15 more minutes and it will be done. So the chicken curry is ready and I'm going to turn the stove off. And you can serve this dish with white rice. Or
Please subscribe to Jar Masala for more recipes using our masalas. You can find us at Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Jar Masala.